Well, you guys would never guess where I'm at, would you? Yep, this is one of the stops. We got the Driveline all fixed up. New all kinds of stuff in it. It's going to be great. This is Barry. I drove 800 miles to get this guy to do my work. I think you guys seen that thing before. It didn't look nothing like that. And what did you say? It just needed freshening, or?
We built the CV, replaced the socket flange yoke because that's what fails the most in
Oh,
these
this whole
units.
thing's new.
This whole thing's new. New joints, new boot inside here because it was cracked. New joint up here, balance. Packed the slip yoke with grease.
Oh boy.
So your only grease point is right in here for your CV ball.
Okay.
There's a Zerk right in here.
There is. How do I get to that thing?
You gotta have a needle.
Okay.
You got a Zerk. Right in here. And it's a needle Zerk. You gotta shoot it in. That greases the stud and greases this socket ball.
Okay.
That's the only greasable thing on here.
And how often does that need to be greased?
Every time you change oil.
Oh, really? Okay, I better get
Every time
that.
you service it, you grease that.
Okay. Alrighty. Six States Distributing. All right. Thank you, sir.
Want me to shut this off?
Yeah, if you want, then I'll do a little bit in there. Buddy, erased my marks. I wonder if that matters. I'll have to ask him about that. There we go. Music's off. Lots of drive lines in here, guys. You can have anything made. This is up in Twin Falls, Idaho, off of Kimberly Road. Does it matter how I put that in? I just have white marks on it, so I can put it in the same spot again. That don't matter, does it? I didn't think so.
It's bolted in, bolts line up.
Yeah, because it can only go in one way.
You go two ways. But it's balanced to itself, so it doesn't matter.
Okay. Yeah, it would be 50-50. Yeah. So, and it was cheaper than down there in Yuma. Remember, guys, he wanted $650 to do it. This guy did all that work for just a little over $300. So if you're in the neighborhood, your driving line goes out, this would be the place to go. Well, today we're in Ron's shop. Take a look at that Ford there. That's his little plate car. Ain't that nice? All fixed up, special suspension and motor work done, I'm sure. But man, I'd like to have that Ford right there. That's beautiful. But what we're doing in here today is this. Ron's gonna help me. We're gonna put this thing on. It's the Driveline. This should take care of this. This is the company right there that did it. And this is brand new, this part. And then the U-joints are brand new. Inside there is brand new. Then we got the new U-joints back here even put on it. And it's been balanced. And this yoke's been all greased up. It's ready to go. So we're going to jack that up, stick that on. Pay attention to this. Let's go back to the start. That tool right there is a 40 millimeter Torx. You got to have that, and you want the longer one. The shorter one, you can't get in there with your ratchets and all, and that's got to be torqued at, I think, you guys look it up yourself, but I think 14, and then the bigger bolts are torqued at 65. We're going to check that out before we're done. You want to jack the truck up so this A wheel is off the ground so you can spin the yoke. And then you want to put your transfer case in neutral also so you can spin it. It's in there. It's in neutral. So you can spin everything and it slides right together. And with everything being new on this, it was easy to do. I didn't even break a sweat, as you can see. It wasn't hard for me at all. But yeah, we got that put together. We're going to torque it out now. It takes 5/8 bolt, 5/8 wrench for the bolts, and 40 for the torque. And that's all you do is just put it together and torque it all up, and we're good to go. And it didn't take us. Takes longer to round up the tools.
Hey, grab us the. So I got other 5/8. It's not a swivel end.
Okay, you wanna okay.
But there's two types. Grab the one that has the thinner thing here that's got better clearance.
Is it a ratchet wrench?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's two of them. One's thicker on the end, one's thinner. Grab the one that's thinner.
All right.
How many foot-pounds you say on the?
The big ones is 65.
And the little ones?
14.
Really? That's it?
What it says. Is that a foot-pound?
Yep.
You check it again to make sure.
I guess they're pretty small bolts.
Yeah.
Hold your tire.
Okay.
No, yeah, it's got to be more than that. That's just finger tight, barely. Well, I guess I hit him in with that electric ratchet. It actually torques him in a little. Let it go. Let the tire go. I'm pretty sure I'm set at 14.
Yeah, 14 ain't very much.
Yeah, my Milwaukee drove him in tighter than that. Let me check the other side one more time. Yeah, I could see where maybe it don't need that much.
Well, they're what, 1/4 inch bolts?
Yeah, but still, that's.
You only tighten down the little head bolts on them.
And that's set at 14 there, right? And bring me a 3/8 short 5-inch socket, and then bring one of my swivel tip extensions. Let's see if it fits.
All right. Get one thing done at a time here.
Let me see the sockets.
All right, there's both of them.
Yeah, oh, there it is. There it is. I see it. Shit. I think that's gonna clear, dude.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. You're gonna have to hold the tire now.
Ready?
Yep. All right. Let it spin some. Right there. All right.
Got it?
Yep. And spin her into position. All right, right there.
Again?
Oh, yeah, you're gonna have to get on there again. Hold on, let me get a good bite on this thing. Ow! Ow! Hit finger, god damn it. Let me spin this back some. Good. Right there. Get on there correctly this time. hold it. All right.
Got them
Let
all?
it spin. Nope, one more right there.
One more.
Get ready. If I see a better angle on let it go. Oh yeah, that's worse. So let's try it over here. See if that we can get into it from there. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
All right, you're done.
The last one.
Yep.
Well, we got it done. I want to show you the tools we used. We used these wrenches. There's your 5-inch socket, 5-inch wrench, 5-inch wrench. And this is your Torx, the longer one. Told you about that. You picked that up at Pet Boys, I think it was, or I think that's where I got it. We use this here to help spin it in there a little quicker. And then this is what we used. See this end on this? It's kind of a swivel end a little bit. But we was able to get the torque on everything by using these. Oh, and the torque wrench, wherever it went. You got the torque wrench over there?
No. To the socket.
Oh, yeah, there it is. That torque wrench right there we used. And that came from Harbor Freight, didn't it, that torque wrench? They work good, I got some. But that's the tools we use, guys, right there. Good to have the right tools. Okay, anyway, we were talking about this. This was handy. And Ron, good buddy right here, we've been friends, shit,
20-some years, 30 years.
20, 30 years, whatever it is. He says, hey, you ain't got one, so he gave me this brand new one here. Look at this, guys. It's a Husky, so it's a good one. Brand new. Only difference is it doesn't have the batteries in it. You just recharge it that way, which is fine for the RV. The less I have to carry, the better off it is. But this will be, it's a great asset. Thank you, buddy, very much.
Yeah.
We needed a light, and we needed a floor jack to get that up so you get that tire to spin. You don't need a floor jack. You can use anything you want. But we're good to go. I appreciate Ron's help. He's always been a good help for me. Anytime I ask him, he helps. Anytime he asks me, I help. Ain't that right?
That's right.
I want to show you inside of this truck here. Oh, we got to talk about them kites. We got to talk about them kites you got. And look at this, man. Wouldn't I love... Kate, can I have this truck? No. Oh, I guess I can't have it. But boy, I like these fold-in mirrors. You get into tight spots, you hit a button, they fold in. Mine don't even adjust anymore. Smells like leather in here. He said he bought this cheap, saved a few $1,000s because some smoker had it. And he was able to get the smoke smell out of this by wiping it down with white vinegar about 3 times.
Yep.
Wipe everything, wiping under the seat, everything.
Headliner, everything.
Everything had to be wiped down with the white vinegar. Now it smells, you can smell the leather smell again. It's a nice truck. Little short bed. Oh, it's got that step thing in the back. This is a nice truck, guys. Any of you guys want to give me one, that's okay. I'll take it. You heard that, Ron, didn't you? Didn't you hear that?
All right.
Nice truck. Seriously, I want to thank Ron for all the help he was on that thing. I didn't turn a wrench. It's great to have good friends like him. And 6 states distributing. They did a fine job on that Driveline. We had no problems all the way home. Subscribe, guys.